everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts Hair and I am here with my beautiful sister Roro today. She's doing another video for me. So we've been having a look through Pinterest and Instagram and we've seen a lot of styles with these little cute headscarves. So they're sort of like tying the hair, loads of like sort of beachy, chilled out styles. So I brought Rosie in today to try one of these styles on her. I am going to be using extensions in this video. However, if you've got long hair, you don't need to use them. Or you don't actually need to use them if you've got Rosie's hair. I just want a big ponytail at the end. So let's get started. I've just kicked the wall behind me. Did that? No. Okay guys, so to start this style, I'm going to put a really quick curl through Rosie's hair using the straighteners. Now you can use a wand or curling tongs, whatever you find easiest. I don't want it to be a perfect spiral curl, okay? So I'm just going to be grabbing sections of Rosie's hair like that, just clamping down, turning always away from the face, just running them through like that, just to give that little bit of loose curl. Now I've already done the extensions, so I've already curled those. So if you are using extensions for this video, make sure you just give them a quick curl first and then just go through the rest of the hair. Okay, so I've put that really quick loose curl through Rosie's hair. Now if you can hear lots of beeping and noise in the background, great timing. They've decided to do loads of building work outside our studio, so I do apologise for that. This has happened before, so if you've watched me before, you're just kind of used to it, guys. It's all good. So I've just pulled a little bit of hair away from Rosie's side here, okay, and then I'm going to take my comb. If you can just tilt a little bit there for me, Ro. I'm going to take my comb and just section off a piece of hair here like that. Okay, so I'm just going to put all this section here out of my way. So next guys, what I'm going to do is put in some extensions in Rosie's hair so we can have this really nice long ponytail. Obviously, if you've got long hair, you'll miss this bit out. So the ones that I'm using today are actually the ones that Rosie used for her wedding by Russian Hair Extensions London. Really great quality. We've used them loads now and they still feel super soft. So I'm going to section off a piece of hair at the nape of the neck. So because I've sort of sectioned off this bit here, I can't make these extensions go around the base like I normally would. So what I'm going to be doing is clipping them from here and then bringing them up and around like that. So all you'll do is a little bit of spray here, a little bit of back comb, and then clip them in. I'm then going to take another slice of hair, working at a diagonal, guys, again, and repeat the same process. So next what I'd like you to do, guys, is just put some back comb in this front area all the way through to the crown. Okay guys, so I've smoothed out all that back comb and then I'm just going to kind of like run my fingers through that back comb and just kind of mess it up a little bit. Now guys, rather than using the long grips, I am literally just going to be tying that hair that I've scooped back into an elastic or bobble, okay? And then guys, what I want you to do is use your fingers and just kind of mess it up a bit. Just pull out those strands now, making it look messy. Okay guys, so I've released this side section of hair and what we're going to do is a Dutch braid in this section of hair, but just to thicken it up a little bit, I am going to be using the one weft extensions. Okay guys, so Dutch braid, I have got an online workshop of this braid if you struggle. Okay guys, so before I go any further, I am really going to start to tease this braid out, okay? And that's going to, one, make the braid look nice and big, and two, really help me to cover up any of these extensions that I put in. Pop an elastic in here. I don't need the braid to be too long, probably just to about here, and then I'm just going to go back now and really try and make this braid as messy and as big as I can get it. Okay guys, I want you to grab the rest of this hair now, bring it up just off that neckline, we don't have any low pony, and pop another hair tie or bobble in. And then guys, you're going to grab hold of this braid and just combine it with this ponytail. We're going to be putting the scarf here guys, so don't worry that it's got to be like sort of perfect there. Take out this elastic, and then can anybody guess what I'm going to do with this ponytail? I know loads of you have seen my videos before, so you probably know I'm going to backcomb it. Okay, so crazy ponytail, don't worry guys, we're going to tame it. So you'll just start off, just put your chin up a little bit for me babe. Start off either by using this bit of the comb or the top of the comb. Try not to sort of like press down on your back comb because you kind of want it to stay there, but this top layer must cover up any back comb because it looks horrible otherwise. Okay guys, so to finish, I've just taken this little scarf and I'm just going to sort of like roll it up, okay? So it's like that. And then you can kind of tie this however you like, but I think I'm just going to go from underneath, place it under and just tie a knot at the top. Okay guys, so that's the style done. I really apologise about outside. They would have to pick today to do all that work. Hopefully you won't be able to hear it too much in my video. So I'm going to do a spin with row. So thanks for watching guys. I would love to hear in the comments if you preferred it with the scarf or without, and I will see you again very soon for another video. Bye!